The Pyniro 10.1-inch Android 13 stereo offers a versatile installation process, fitting seamlessly into most vehicle dashboards while allowing for optimal screen positioning to minimize glare. Equipped with a powerful 8-core processor and 4 gigabytes of RAM, this stereo system ensures smooth multitasking and quick app launches, enhancing your driving experience. The stereo's wireless and wired connectivity options for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto make it easy to access navigation, music, and calls, providing a hands-free experience. With support for Wi-Fi and a 4G SIM card, the stereo allows for uninterrupted internet access, letting you download apps and stream content on the go. The unit delivers high-quality audio with customizable equalizer settings, offering a rich and immersive listening experience through various media options. Enhanced parking assistance features, including support for a backup camera, provide clear rearview imaging and dynamic guidelines, making parking easier and more precise.